Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on the Legit Kit box number 9 for month, and it's week 34 already. Now, as you know, along the way we're getting 2 blocks a week now, so when you got your kit you got a total of 8 blocks to build out. And I think that's pretty cool. So let's get sewing. So as you know, I said in other videos, and I'll say it everyone now along the way, I'm going to go ahead and pre-work mine. So it just works out better for me. So what I'm doing is laying my blocks out and getting them pre-done so that I can show you if I have any issues along the way so that we can streamline the video footage for you. So it comes along really nice, and I like this. There is only one junction here that gave a little bit of an issue, not a whole lot, but it's just right here as you're turning it over, you're going to find a good bit of bulk here. So as you can see, all the seams lined up here and across here. Right in here on this little one, there's a little bit of a fold, and as you can see, when I fold this under, that's where that bulk is. So make sure you, I would say pound it out, but that's not the right word, but that's what I would do. I would use my roller and really take care of business on that one. So this one is finished. So now I've already got my set done here from last week. So what a better opportunity than to go ahead and get these guys joined up so that they're ready to roll. So all you do is put them bellies down. Line up your center as we have every step of the way. And I won't show you the finish because I don't want to delay you all too long. But it's just you pin in place. You look for your markings to see if you have any. And here we do. So you're going to want to pull it tight and make sure that you're hitting that junction. It's really important if you want things to line up nice and tidy. So I'm going to clip right here and pin in the corner just until I start sewing, then that pin's going to come out. Then I'm going to come down here and look for any junctions that I have these color waves match. So I'm going to just go ahead and clip here at the end of this one. And I'm showing you different ways along the way. The first half of the quilt, I went ahead and left all of my papers, just my markings. This go, as I'm showing you this one, I'm going to leave them on so that you'll be able to see the versatility. You can do it any way that you choose. So let me get this one sewed in. And then I'll show you as we unfold it how nice it comes. And I like to put my fingers under here and just sew this one in nice and slow. Keep a little bit of pressure on it along the way. And then when you get to that center junction, go ahead and go slow. You want it to line up nice and tidy. Fold these back and continue the process. And now we're at the ends. And you're going to back tack this in. It's going to help lock that seam. And snip it off. You'll take your time here and go ahead and pull out whatever papers that you're choosing. But I just want to unfold and show you right here. My seam matches here. I'm matching here. And I'm matching here. That's where your matching needs to be. So with all of that being said, I'll see you back next week for another set of blocks, and we'll get the week 3 of month 9 underway. Take care. God bless. Please give us a thumbs up, like the video, share it, and if you're not subscribed, please do. It means everything to Joe and I. Take care. Bye-bye.